So hey guys, I know that there has not been any video since last many days, and I promise you that in the upcoming videos there will be a schedule plan. Every 2 days there will be a special video upcoming there. And yeah, so in this video we'll be talking about what is digital marketing and many more things aligned to that. So stick to the very end and subscribe now if you haven't yet. And yeah, let us begin this video to talk about digital marketing. What is it? A beginner, what is the main crux that every business is nowadays using digital marketing, using Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads? What are these type of ads and paid marketing, organic reach or inorganic reach? I'll be talking about much more things in this video, so stick to the end. So yeah, let's get into this video to talk about digital marketing itself.
Sorry, but to get to $10,000 a month in the day and age we live in, it's not hard.
Founder of Owl Media. What do? We build stellar video content and Instagram filters that generates leads, sales, and millions of impressions.
I understand.
So first of all, let us understand what is digital marketing, and after that we'll be understanding about the different things in that. So the basic structure of digital marketing is, in digital marketing you use digital platforms like different website, different applications to make the marketing of your business or your website or many more things. And that is the basic structure, that just you use digital appliances like different platforms, different websites to make the marketing of your business, and that is a digital marketing. It's simple as it sounds. And after that, there are two main types of digital marketing. First is the organic marketing and second is inorganic marketing. So the basic difference between organic and inorganic marketing is, in organic marketing you spend 0 rupees, and after that you can get the results and get the reach of your website or your business. But in inorganic marketing you spend every day different different amount of rupees and stuff, and after that you are going to get reach. But the reason why people spend different amount of money on ads is just because you can get guaranteed results and quick results, and that's all. These are the basic advantages of inorganic marketing. But in organic marketing you can get the results, but after a very long time. There must be a proper SEO of your website, and after that only you can get results, and after that only you can rank on Google or other search engines. So that is the basic structure of organic marketing, and that can take a lot of time. And but the real advantage of organic marketing is that if you manage to get the first place in the Google rank, then you can survive for longer time there, and you can generate lots and lots of traffic just by ranking on Google at the first place without even spending a single rupee on that. And that is the organic marketing. But in nowadays, in a rush of the competition and stuff like that, many people are just preferring the inorganic marketing, because if you see the organic path, it can take a long time to rank your website on the Google. And that is, to be honest, most people are doing the same stuff, that they are hiring SEO specialists and stuff like that, but those guys are not even compatible to rank the websites guaranteed in the first place. So that is the real structure going on in the market. So most people are preferring to the inorganic marketing if they want guaranteed results and fast results. But here's a question, that why do we really need digital marketing? Can't we survive without that, or is there no option without digital marketing? But the answer here is like a sort of confusing, but let us understand it through a very simple example. Suppose you have a shop in Rajasthan or somewhere in, suppose you have shop in Mumbai of your clothes shop, for example. But what is the reason that you are going to get into the digital marketing? So the simple reason behind that is, using digital platforms like Instagram or YouTube or Google, you can directly reach to a longer audience within just few clicks by sending a few amount of rupees. If you apply and go to the traditional path, like using the banner ads, using different type of hoardings everywhere in the huge highways and popular places, you are going to cost a lot, and many people do not even see the hoardings, and you cannot calculate that how much people have seen the ad or how much people have come to your shop using those ads and stuff like that. so that can become a huge wastage of money. But if you really want to make marketing of your shop, you can go and you should go through the digital marketing services, because you can calculate each and everything, almost each and everything in this type of things. Like after seeing which ad people have come to your shop, after seeing which ad people have clicked on your website and got into your shop, and many more things like that. And the real reason behind that is you can get immersive reach using that same amount of rupee that you are going to invest in hoardings and stuff like that. But if you invest that amount of rupee in digital marketing using Google ads and Instagram ads, everybody is scrolling the social media, everybody is using mobile nowadays, and those guys will see your ad and those guys will come to your store after that. And that is the basic advantage of digital marketing that you can use to like rank your shop and get your customers to your shop basically. And that was this video all about digital marketing. And in the upcoming videos I'll be talking about the stuff like Google ads, and I'll be posting out much more things on that as well. And yeah, that was it about today's video. If you learned something valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't yet to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye.